In today's lecture, we are going to learn how to add a watermark in PowerPoint presentation. So let's begin. First of all, I am just opening a blank presentation. After opening the presentation, I just go to Option, View, then I will go to Slide Master. After clicking Slide Master, as you can see here, these all slides are connected with one single slide. So ये जो single slide है, this slide is called parent slide. Now, what is the meaning of this? So if you want to add a watermark in any of the specific slide, let's say I want to add the watermark in slide number 3. So I will just go and select this slide number 3 and my watermark will only apply on this slide. But if I want to apply a watermark in each and every slide, so I just go to up and I just have to select the parent slide. This is the parent slide. So when I apply my watermark in this slide, it will automatically reflect in all the other slides. So right now I want my watermark in every slide, so I just selected the parent slide. So after selecting, I just go to insert. After going, I'll go to shapes. Now it depends on the shape of your watermark, like is it oval, is it square, is it rectangle. So the watermark which I am using is a rectangular shape, so I'm just using a rectangle shape. So after selecting, I am just drawing a rectangle here. It depends on the size, how much size I want. After selecting, so after selecting a picture, I just go to from I want to add watermark from my device, so I just select browser. The watermark is in here it is. I just simply insert this, and you can change the size after applying, but I think it is good for me right now. And okay, so now after inserting the picture, I will just edit some details. No fill, no, I will just go to outline and no outline. So as you can see here, the watermark is white, so the transparency level don't need to be decreased, and I will just close the master view. As you can see here, the watermark is visible. Let's add a blank slide so it is more visible. You see here, and no matter how much slide I will add, it will automatically reflect in all the slides. You see here, you can add any type of slide like this, it will reflect in each and every slide. So this is the procedure to add a watermark. You can I just added a picture. You can add any text, you can play with the size, you can increase or decrease, it's totally up to you. The procedure will remain same for all this. So thank you so much for watching. See you in a next lecture. Take care.